Hi, I'm Scott Bechtold. I'm at the ASP booth at the 2015 SHOT Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here today with Alan Chasen from Top Brass. And Alan, let's start off by telling us about Top Brass, your operation, where you're located.
Well, my store is located in Stafford, Texas, but our corporate office is in Houston, and we also have a new store in San Antonio. So both our stores in Houston are about 10,000 square feet, and San Antonio is our largest store at 30,000 square feet.
Okay, so you have quite a large area in Texas, and I take it you have the retail locations as well as outside salespeople?
No, we don't do any outside sales. That's something that we're looking at right now. I'm going to be the first one with my background in law enforcement to actually go out and meet with public safety individuals, but we don't do any outside sales.
Well, that's interesting. You former law enforcement, where did you work?
I worked for the fire marshal's office. I was an arson investigator.
Okay, great. Now, I think you had a chance today to take a look at our new products. What's your thoughts?
I love it. Research and development with ASP is unprecedented. The evolution of everything that they've done from the beginning to where they are right now just puts them so much far above the competition. It's unbelievable. I like the fact that they not only back up the product with their warranties, but they provide the training. They have, it's built by law enforcement for law enforcement. It basically sells itself. So,
in your retail locations, what do you find sells the best?
Well, mostly the flashlights. That's what I've been pushing really hard. So, I mean, we sell batons because of necessity, but since flashlights have improved, they've got the USB, the 750 turbo, and everything like that. A lot of people are leaning towards that because it's offering a different kind of convenience on top of having the flashlight itself. Rechargeability, charging your cell phone off of it, a lot of functionality. So.
Well, I don't know if you know this, but recently the Pennsylvania State Police adopted the Triad USB as their duty light. And it sounds like, the features that you just explained are some of the same features that won them over and, won them over as far as what they adopted for their light.
Yeah, I understood it was something like 4,500. That's pretty impressive. And we have, in Stafford and Houston combined, we got a large metropolitan area. Harris County is a huge supporter of ASP products. I'm on the south side. I'm trying to get Fort Bend County to jump on board with that as well. And I think that once we do another class, and that's incorporated into that training, so once that happens, those guys are going to buy that product. They're going to be able to tell their people what it's like, and then we expect to see a high shift in sales. So. Now,
Daryl Harmon is your representative, and I'm sure he explained that we're coming out in 2015 with a low-level light course. What's your thoughts?
I've taken low-level light courses in the past through the alert training with TTPOA, and I'm looking forward to actually taking this class. Even though I'm a retail sales guy and retired, I do want to participate because I think that on top of learning, I'm going to be learning additionally. I don't know if that makes any sense, but him telling me one thing and me taking a course are two different things. So,
well, thank you. Thank you for being an ASP distributor, and thank you for your support.